How to clear Google Play Services data. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So today, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the settings application on your device and then scroll down and tap on apps. Next, tap on manage apps, and as you tap on manage apps, just tap on the search bar and search for Google Play Services over here. And now as you can see, the option has popped up, so tap on it, and as you tap on it you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then clear cache and tap on OK. Next, you can just manage space and you'll be able to delete your data as well. You can uninstall updates, force stop and disable the option, and you'll be able to clear all the Google Play Services data from your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.